Want to make sure that you're taking that extra step to really tuck it in flat against your body. And just bring my palu around.
Hey, Jessica here. I'm a big fan of Tia, and I wanted to throw in my 2 cents as well about wearing a sari as a foreigner. Today I'm wearing Madhubani hand-painted sari from my husband's state of Bihar, where I lived for the last 7 years. I think, in my opinion, and again, I would defer to people like Tia and people from South Asian descent, but someone who wears sari often makes a lot of content wearing saris and wears saris in public. I think it's really about, are you trying to draw attention to yourself and like, look at me and my outfit, or are you trying to fit in and respect the people around you? In my opinion, I think that the latter is the right motivation to have. And I haven't always had that motivation. There have been many times I wore sari where I was like, I want people to see how Indianized I am. But I think if you're wearing a sari to fit in or be respecting the people around you, you're at an event, other people are wearing sari, and just acknowledging like, hey, I went sari shopping with this person, that's great. I think that's a way to respect Indian culture or Nepali culture, Sri Lankan culture, wherever you are. But if it's really about showing off or bringing attention to yourself, that's an issue. And of course, you need to learn how to wear it properly to show proper respect. But that's my thoughts.